Thank you for watching Quick and Easy Meals, the Keto series. We hope to provide you with ideas for keto meals that you can make at home. There are a lot of health benefits to keto other than just losing weight and controlling your A1C. So if you want to eat healthy, you're probably going to have to start making these meals at home since there are no keto restaurants that I know of. So stay tuned and let's get started. I hope you enjoy the series. Okay, let's go over the ingredients for this meal, which is Mediterranean creamy garlic chicken. So we're gonna have some pretty simple directions. This is pretty quick and easy. So let's just go over the ingredients. We'll have some olive oil, some chicken thighs. Some people prefer chicken breasts. I go with chicken thighs, a little more juicier. We're gonna have some Italian seasoning. There's a lot of variety of Italian seasonings. Take your favorite. We're gonna do garlic powder. Now you can also add regular garlic, fresh squeezed garlic, but we're just gonna stick with the powder today. We're gonna try to keep it quick and easy. We're gonna do spinach, baby spinach, and sun-dried tomatoes. And then we'll have some chicken broth and some heavy cream. So don't get this confused. It's not milk, it is heavy whipping cream. So let's get started on this quick and easy meal. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and we'll start cooking the chicken. We cut the chicken up in strips. Once the oil gets hot, we'll put the chicken in and cook it thoroughly until it's browned and cooked fully. While we're waiting for that to heat up, we're going to cut up our spinach. To cut up your spinach, the general idea is to make a snowball out of your spinach. Make a good ball, get you a knife, hopefully it's sharper than mine, and then you just cut it into the sizes you want. And you just chop it up and make it the way you want it. I like it a little bit smaller, so we're just gonna keep cutting it. So you have a cup of spinach here. And we'll put this to the side, and then we're about ready to start frying up the chicken. The oil should be nice and hot now. Now your spinach is all chopped up. That is probably the hardest part of your preparation. It's going to shrink a little bit, so you just try to make it a little bit bigger than bite-sized pieces, and then it'll shrink down. Get it all cooked up and put it to the side as we prepare the rest of the ingredients. I use the whole package of the chicken. Make it portion size to, who's ever eating. We'll let this cook until it's cooked thoroughly through. After about 8 minutes or so, turn this chicken over and get the other side. So although your stomach may be growling, don't rush the process. Good cooking takes time. Okay, now the chicken looks about done, so we're going to go ahead and take it out and put it into a side dish. Don't forget to check your A1C. Mine's today was 99. Remember, after a 12-hour fast, you want your A1C to be under 100. So keep an eye on that. I mean, what good is healthy eating if you're not making sure you're hitting your checkpoints, right? So next, we're going to add in chicken broth, a half a cup of that, and we're going to add in our thick cream, and about a cup of that. So we're getting ready to do that. And after we get all that mixtured up, then we'll get the Parmesan cheese. So just make sure you have your Parmesan cheese ready. And you have hopefully a plastic whisk, because we'll whisk this all together. That was the chicken broth. This is the heavy cream. We'll do a teaspoon of the Italian seasoning. You can always do a little extra. And a teaspoon of the garlic. And of course, like I said, you could add real fresh garlic as well if you really like it garlicky. I'm not gonna do that this time. It is normally my routine though. All right, so we'll whisk this together. We'll still have, what we have remaining is our sun-dried tomatoes, our chopped spinach, and our unforgotten Parmesan cheese. As you can see, as soon as it starts to warm up, we'll mix in the Parmesan cheese, and as soon as it starts to thicken, we will mix in the tomatoes. Let some of that cheese melt and thicken up. So we'll give that some time, probably about 5 minutes. Okay, now sun-dried tomatoes we have are halves. I cut the halves in half and added it to this bowl because I think the smaller pieces would be better because halves was still pretty big. We're gonna add in the spinach until it starts to wilt. And while we're doing all this, we're thinking, man, what kind of sides are we gonna have with this delicious meal? I'm thinking a green salad of some sort. Now, as you can see, the spinach is starting to wilt up a little bit. So let's reintroduce the chicken to the pot. Chicken, pot, chicken. And of course, you add your salt and pepper seasoned to taste. We'll get this all in there, and then we're just gonna simmer it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so like I said, quick and easy. You don't want to have to be in there too long. So we're going to go along with this kind of meal, a salad, locally grown, fresh. It's a power crunch. So we're going to go with that. Then we'll add in whatever toppings you like. We added in avocado. Avocado is a great addition to any meal. A lot of benefits there. And within about 30-35 minutes, you have a nice, salad, healthy chicken dinner. Again, it's Mediterranean, creamy garlic chicken with a side salad. And you can make your salad however you want, add tomatoes or onions or everything, except for if you're doing this for keto, you probably don't want to add croutons. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you try this meal. I hope you enjoy it. And until next time, keep checking your A1C. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel. Eat healthy, be healthy, stay healthy. Have a great week.